Indoor gardening is a rewarding and creative way to bring the beauty of nature into your living spaces. With the right plant choices and care techniques, you can create lush, vibrant greenery throughout your home. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a beginner, this guide will help you master indoor gardening by selecting the right plants for every room and ensuring their health and vitality. 1. Choosing the right plants. Consider the lighting conditions, temperature, and humidity of each room before choosing plants. Low-light plants, like snake plants and pothos, are perfect for dimly lit areas, while succulents and cacti thrive in sunny spots. 2. Entryway elegance. Welcome guests with a touch of greenery. Place a resilient plant like a rubber plant or a peace lily near your entryway to create an inviting atmosphere. 3. Living room greenery. Elevate your living room with statement plants. Large floor plants, like fiddle-leaf figs or bird of paradise, add a tropical feel, while hanging plants like spider plants and trailing pothos create a cozy and stylish ambiance. 4. Kitchen herb garden. Grow herbs like basil, mint, and rosemary on a sunny kitchen windowsill. They provide fresh ingredients for your culinary endeavors and add fragrance to the heart of your home. 5. Bedroom tranquility. Enhance your bedroom with calming plants that improve air quality and promote relaxation. Consider aloe vera, lavender, or a snake plant to create a soothing environment. 6. Bathroom Oasis. Opt for humidity-loving plants like ferns, orchids, or peace lilies to thrive in the bathroom's naturally humid environment. They'll bring a touch of nature to your self-care routine. 7. Home office boost. Boost your productivity and mood by placing plants in your home office. Choose plants like ZZ plants or succulents that require minimal attention while adding vibrancy to your workspace. 8. Nursery or kids' room. Introduce children to the joys of gardening by having plants like spider plants or ponytail palms in their rooms. Teach them responsibility while fostering a love for nature. 9. Plant care essentials. Learn the basics of plant care, including watering, fertilizing, and repotting. Each plant has specific needs, so research their requirements to ensure they thrive. 10. Decorative planters and displays. Elevate your indoor garden's aesthetics with decorative planters that match your home's style. Consider creating a plant display by grouping plants of varying heights and textures. 11. Regular maintenance. Set a regular watering schedule, prune as needed, and inspect plants for pests. Regular care prevents issues and promotes healthy growth. 12. Troubleshooting. Learn to identify common plant problems such as yellowing leaves, wilting, or pest infestations. Quick intervention can save your plants. 13. Enjoying the benefits. Embrace the benefits of indoor gardening, from improved air quality to reduced stress. Take time to sit back, relax, and appreciate the green beauty you've cultivated. 14. Experiment and adapt. Indoor gardening is a journey of discovery. Don't be afraid to experiment with different plant varieties and care techniques to find what works best for you and your home. By following these tips, you'll master indoor gardening and create an oasis of lush, thriving plants in every room of your home, transforming your living spaces into vibrant, green havens.